this is TJ DeSalvo, author of the Anxiety Schmanxiety blog on HealthyPlace, and as you can see by, oh, there's my cat. As you can see by all this crap everywhere around the room and boxes, I'm in the process of moving. Not going anywhere crazy. I'm staying in Chicago. I'm just going to another place in the same neighborhood, but this is kind of the first time that I've really had to deal with like moving like this. I'm trying to do it mostly on my own, and for anyone who's moved and for anyone who hasn't moved, moving's not fun, and moving is very stressful, and that's sort of what I've been dealing with for the past at least a month. So that's what I'm going to talk about, and I guess I just want to give a piece of advice for anyone who, may be moving, or anyone who wants to listen. I guess the first thing that anyone should just be aware of is that, like I said, moving is just awful. There's really no way to avoid that. Even, if you have people helping you, if you, there's no way to make moving not fun, to say it like that. So I've learned that if if you're prepared in a way, like if you expect, this is going to be stressful and this is just not going to be fun. If you know that going in, then you're less, blindsided when you realize that, oh my God, there's just so much to do and this is just all just awful and not fun. And sort of on the same token, something else that you should expect, I'm the kind of person that needs to do a lot of stuff well in advance, as much as I can. With moving, you can't really do that, because either you're not going to be able to find a place until well before your lease is up, or close to when your lease is up, was what happened to me, or things will fall through and whatnot. So things are going to come up, and you're going to be dealing with this until the very end, when your lease is up. And I wasn't expecting that when I first started. And now, now I know. And I think for anyone who's going to be in this situation, knowing that going in, I think that's going to, really help, because then you won't be so blindsided when things come up, and you can, deal with it better. And 99% of the time, knowing what's coming helps a lot. So I know those are pretty basic pieces of advice, but for anyone who's going to be in my situation soon, I really hope that helps. Take care.